Hi everyone, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a website that I came across where you can find intimate wear. I'm going to review the products that I ordered from their website, talk a bit about their return, shipping and exchange policies, whether you should invest buying products from them or not, and basically the offers that they have currently going on. Also, before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and definitely drop a comment below even if you're dropping a heart. So let's get started. So to begin with the policies, first of all, shipping policy. So for the shipping policies, the website offers free delivery on orders above 600 rupees as long as the estimated delivery time and everything goes. So basically they use a national courier service to ship your products. For estimated delivery, once you place your order, you get a tracking ID on which you can see the estimated delivery date, and you can also track your order to see how far it has reached. I live in Delhi NCR, so for me the order reached in like less than 2 days. If you do face any problem with return, exchange, delivery, refunds, anything, they are easily available and reachable on call as well as email address, so you can always raise a concern in case that is the issue. LXC is one of the few intimate wear websites that actually offered you returns on all the products within 10 days time of delivery. So once you have received a product, within 10 days time only you can return or exchange the product. After that, return or exchange will not be possible. The returns are not applicable if the item is a gift item, of course, and also once your product has been returned, they will check for wear and tear and basically just to see that you haven't used the product, and then your refund will be initiated immediately as soon as they get the order and the quality check is done, and the amount reflects within 48 hours in your bank account or original mode of payment. Exchange is also easily available, but you can get your product exchanged only once and not after that. For the categories, they have bras, panties, nightwear, and few of the accessories like stick-on bras, stockings, camisoles, and transparent strap, silicone pads, and nipple cover. So they have a lot of accessories and they have a huge variety in all these items. So to go ahead with the products that I ordered, I actually ordered 3 items from all different categories. I didn't order something from the panty department, but I ordered 1 bralette, 1 bra, and a nightwear just to check how the quality is. So let's begin with the unboxing. So to begin with the unboxing, first let's unbox the first product, and also just to talk a bit about the packaging. I love the packaging that they have used. It's also reusable and definitely environment friendly. So the first item that we have is the bralette, and wow, it is so cute. Here we have the tags. So I ordered the bralette because it's a free size bralette and I wanted to see the quality, and I am so impressed with the design because it's stretchable and also it's very good fabric. Like, I know it's see-through, but it's just a bralette and the fabric quality is amazing. This is also elastic, so it can be easily worn by women of all sizes. Absolutely love the product. The pads are also of good quality. I think that's what I appreciate a lot. And I love the design. So I'm going to attach an image of the bralette that I saw online here, just so that you can easily match the quality, and it's exactly the same. Like, there's nothing different from the product that I saw online and the product that has been delivered to me. So far I'm really impressed with the quality of the bralette. It is completely stretchable and really good quality fabric. Much better than I think the products that you find, like the bralettes that you find in Sarojini Nagar. They tear apart really easily. Now moving on to the second product, this is the bra that I ordered. So basically this I ordered because I wanted something in black and just to see the product quality. Wow, this is so nice. I mean, you can't like feel the fabric, I don't know, but you can definitely see that the fabric quality is absolutely crazy. It's super soft, and the shimmer fabric is also really nice. And this one is actually a wired bra, so I'm going to attach a picture so that you can compare. It's exactly the same. They do have like just the size and some basic instructions here. Also for 400 rupees, I think it's a must buy. Like, really impressed with the quality, and it's quite tight, and of course the adjustable strap at the back, and also like the strap is of great quality. Like, I don't think it's the kind of straps that, you know, get loosened really quickly. The quality is amazing. Like, it's not something that you would expect at 400 rupees, but if you're getting it for so cheap, definitely invest your money on this. It's much better than going to a street market, not knowing your size, and then, you know, buying something and regretting it. Even if you do order maybe a wrong size, if it's a little tight and everything, they have a lot of cup sizes and a lot of like bra sizes, so you can always exchange and return the product. Totally up to you. But I absolutely love the shine of the fabric. Like, you can see that the quality, like the fabric, it's really good, and also the cups are of good quality. Like, even in the bralette, I am so impressed with the cup quality. Now let's move on to the nightwear. It's really pretty and it's really vibrant. Like, so this material I absolutely love. So this kind of nightwear are really trending a lot. You can find the same in Sarojini Nagar as well, but the reason why I ordered it from this website is because, first of all, it's full sleeves. Everywhere I go, I see like half sleeves, you know, nightwear, and also instead of short, it has a long pajama. And also the pajama that I got with it, it's also like full size, like full length pajama, and with a really stretchable elastic waist at the waist. So one good thing that I love about the night suit is that the ones that you find in street market, basically, even if the top fits you, and you know, if you're a little broad like me, then the waist is not going to fit you. Like, it's a little tight, because I did end up buying like 3 night suit from Sarojini. I bought from I think I bought one from Janpat also. And the sad thing is that the waist at the waist, all the night suit are a little tight and uncomfortable, and the elastic is also very like, it's too tight. But this one is a little loose, so you won't have any problem wearing this, and it's easily adjustable. Just to clarify, this size that I got, I ordered is XL actually. It's XL size, so it's a little big than, you know, what I expected. I wanted to go for like a baggy night suit, so I ordered a size like 2 sizes larger than my original size, which I think now is a mistake. So I'll probably get it exchanged for a smaller size, and I think for the price it's definitely worth it. I am so impressed with the pattern and everything. It's exactly as I saw it on the website. Like, even the print and the shine is absolutely flawless. The night suits that I have come across on all the street shopping markets, they were all plain, or maybe like, you know, they had something written on the pocket, but I did not find anything in like design other than, I think, polka dot, which I found in Sarojini Nagar. And this one is a you know, like, it's a magical unicorn night suit, and I absolutely love that the pattern and the design completely stands out. So to conclude my video, I think I'm absolutely impressed with the website and the product that I got. Definitely check out all the products on LXC. There's also an 80% sale that's going on their website, and you will find intimate wear for such cheap prices and definitely very affordable. And for the price that I paid, I am so impressed with the quality of the products that I received. I will definitely love to shop from this website again, and I think it's going to become like one of my favorite intimate wear shopping websites. If you have any questions about the website or anything else that you saw in the video or any of my other videos, definitely comment below your queries and I'll love to answer them. Have a good day. Bye bye.